shadow left here, just love that never says goodnight. I know who I am and it's all made whole, every part redeemed and real. No sin to hide, no ache inside, just peace I can finally feel. I'm home at last, where mercy's story ends in glory. Every tear I cried, he wiped away without a trace. I see his face, the one who carried me through sorrow. Now every breath in worship, every heart beats faith. No more the tug of the world behind me, no battle raging in my soul. Every choice in rhythm with heaven, every thought in perfect control. It's freedom that feels like breathing pure air, like colors I'd never known. The fire of his light is everywhere, and I know I'm truly home. I'm home at last, where mercy's story ends in glory. Every tear I cried, he wiped away without a trace. I see his face, the one who carried me through sorrow. Now every breath is worship, every heart beats faith. And one day soon, when he returns, the graves will wake and rise, clothed in light like the risen one. We'll meet beneath new skies. Hey, heaven and earth will join as one. No curse, no broken strand. The world made new forever, true creation in his hands. I'm home at last, his promise shining through my story. Every hurt undone, every hope restored in praise. I see his face, the love that made the darkness hollow. Forever I will live in endless grace. No fear, no night, just a life on